Welcome to Protecting Email with SPF and DKIM Introduction. Today we're diving into essential email security measures. Imagine you're a security engineer fighting repeated spoofed emails. Your mission is to analyze email headers, determine legitimacy, and configure protective measures like SPF and DKIM. Let's start by understanding the problem that these protective measures address. Spoofed emails can trick employees into revealing sensitive information or sending money to malicious actors, posing a significant threat to your business. Without proper safeguards, both legitimate and fraudulent emails can reach inboxes. The crucial first step is to review email headers to check if the sender address matches the displayed one. Let's look at Scenario 1. What happens when no protective records are in place? If your company hasn't set up Sender Policy Framework, or SPF, or Domain Keys Identified Mail, DKIM, all emails, legitimate or spoofed, will be delivered. A phishing email pretending to be from your domain could slip through unchecked. The key takeaway here is to always verify the sender's actual email address against the displayed one to immediately detect spoofing attempts. Moving to Scenario 2, let's look at how to set up SPF to secure your email communications. To protect Office 365 email, configure SPF with the following record. V equals SPF1 include spf.protection.outlook.com all. The -all directive in that record means that any email not sent through authorized Office 365 servers will be blocked. This ensures only authorized servers can send emails on behalf of your domain. Scenario 3 focuses on adding DKIM for an extra layer of email authenticity. DKIM adds a cryptographic signature to your emails, which is essential for verifying their authenticity and ensuring they haven't been tampered with. With both SPF and DKIM successfully implemented, spoofed emails that previously got through will now be blocked, significantly boosting your domain's credibility. Now let's discuss some common challenges and the best practices for maintaining strong email security. One challenge is that spoofed emails can look incredibly convincing. Employees may easily overlook subtle differences in sender addresses, so vigilance is key. To combat this, train your staff to recognize suspicious emails, regularly audit your SPF and DKIM records, and combine these efforts with DMARC for even stronger protection. By setting up SPF and DKIM, you create a robust defense against spoofed emails. These measures ensure that only legitimate messages from your domain are delivered, reducing the risk of phishing and credential theft.